Yeah, this is contemporary design, 4-bedroom duplex. We are approaching the roofing. We are getting ready for the roofing. We are preparing for the roofing as it is now. So we have some work to be done before the roofing commences. This is one of our adults. This is the kitchen sit out at the back. And this is me, the blissful home. That's so we take the run now. As you just see, I'm so. I say, yo. This is our parlor. Void. And this is my carpenter over there, doing what he knows how to do. Giving me the best. So this is the main veranda. This is the front seat out of the house. So the front seat out. This is it. As you can see.